Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study math for JEE Mains. First, begin by thoroughly understanding the entire JEE Main mathematics syllabus. Identify high-weightage topics like calculus and algebra, which often account for over 60% of the paper. Focus on mastering fundamental concepts from your 11th and 12th grade textbooks. A strong conceptual base is crucial for tackling complex problems effectively. This foundational step ensures you build a solid understanding before diving into advanced preparation. Next, focus on mastering concepts through extensive problem solving. After understanding a topic, immediately practice a diverse range of problems, starting from basic to advanced levels. Don't just memorize solutions, truly understand the underlying logic and different approaches. Aim to solve approximately 100 to 150 problems for each chapter. This consistent practice will solidify your understanding and improve your problem-solving speed and accuracy significantly. Consistent practice and revision are key to success. Regularly take full-length mock tests, simulating the actual exam environment. This helps you manage time effectively and reduces exam day anxiety. After each test, meticulously analyze your performance to pinpoint weak areas and conceptual gaps. Dedicate at least 1 hour daily to revise all formulas, theorems, and important concepts. Consistent revision ensures that information stays fresh in your mind, boosting your confidence. Finally, effective time management and a positive mindset are crucial. Develop a realistic study schedule, allocating specific time slots for each subject and topic, and stick to it diligently. Remember to take short, refreshing breaks every 1 to 2 hours to avoid burnout and maintain optimal focus. Staying motivated and maintaining a positive attitude throughout your preparation journey will significantly impact your performance. Believe in your abilities and stay consistent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.